Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo K-pop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today I will share my experience of applying in JYP monthly audition. Now without wasting our time, let's start our video. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. First thing on registration day I did was setting an alarm so that I cannot miss out this opportunity. After this, I opened my Chrome browser and I tried to open the website 5 minutes before the exact time. First, I directly searched for JYP audition website. It was loading very slow because of heavy traffic on website. I refreshed the page and reloaded it again and again, and I also tried to open link again and again. I was opening this website from two mobiles. I also tried to open it from this direct link, but it was showing this same error. But finally once I was able to open this and I saw this page. This first one, apply button, is for online always open audition, and below it this apply button is for monthly audition. It is only shown during the exact registration timing. I tap on it, it loaded fast and I saw this page. This page was little strange. I scrolled down and finally I saw this apply button. I tapped on it and it was loading, and it was only loading. So I thought let's refresh it. But after loading, the apply button vanished because registrations were closed. JYP already got their top 100 non-Korean applicants. I think I should have waited little longer to let the website load. I think I did a mistake by refreshing apply button page. Between this registration period, JYP pinned a comment in their new monthly audition post. They said that the website will be fixed soon and they will notify us about it. And after some time, they again pinned new comment that website has been fixed and registrations has been open again. So I think this was the exact time when they fixed the website and I was able to open that. But because of heavy traffic and my mistake, I was unable to load website and someone else submitted his form before me. As we know, registrations will open twice a month. So I want to say that if you really want to apply in JYP, then you should try every time to apply and refresh the page, and if it's loading, then please also wait little long to let it load. It won't open just in seconds. It will take some time. Wait patiently, and if it doesn't load in 2-3 minutes, then refresh it. Then again wait and refresh it. But when you will see apply button and will tap on it, then don't refresh the page. Just wait for maximum 5 to 7 minutes to let it load. One day your luck will work and you will be able to apply in this audition. My luck also worked. That's why I was at least able to see apply button where many other thousands of people were even unable to load website. So one day you will also be able to apply in this audition. All the best and best of luck to all of you. I hope all of you will be able to attend JYP's Zoom audition and will share your audition experience with us. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.